Water's on. That's running. So it's rewired. Amps now work. Before, when you put it in gear or turn the radio on, it would die. We rewired the input off the ignition switch. They had everything for the stereo system run through the ignition switch. It just was tripping the breaker on it. And then there was a switch in the back that was on the transmission that had some faulty wiring on it. So go ahead and pop it into forward. And reverse. Okay. Reverse. Okay. Back to neutral. Forward. Okay, so it's shifting. So cut it off, start it up back again. All right.